Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox. This prevents short circuits and lets internal components cool. Next, move the console to a flat surface with 2-3 feet of clearance for airflow, because ambient heat worsens overheating. Once done, remove external panels or stands and use a soft brush to clear dust from vents before compressed air. Make sure to hold the fan blades steady when you blow air to avoid damaging bearings and to dislodge surface debris. You now open the case carefully, keeping screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. This exposes the fan and heatsink where most heat builds up. Use short bursts of compressed air and a soft brush to remove embedded dust from heat fins and fan blades, because clogged fins trap heat. Then inspect the thermal paste and heat pipe contact visually. If paste looks dry or separated, it no longer transfers heat efficiently and must be replaced to restore proper cooling. You apply a fresh, thin 0.5 mm layer of thermal paste on the CPU/GPU surfaces to ensure optimal heat transfer, then reassemble the console and reconnect cables. Power on and run a 30-minute gameplay or stress test while monitoring temperature by sound and heat output. This confirms the fix. If temperatures drop and operation is stable, you're done. If overheating persists, check fan rotation speed and listen for grinding noise. Replace the fan if it fails to reach expected RPM as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.